Hey guys, Keith Best here, and in this video I just want to go over and show you why you need to be building an Evergreen website. So this is the first time I've really had the chance to play with the new version of Magic Page plugin 6.0. And what I've done, I've took my pest control Evergreen site and installed it on just a dummy domain, like the one I use for testing. And basically what I've done, as you all know, meta tags and meta descriptions on the Magic pages have always been able to be spun, and we've always been able to do lots of things with them. So now what I've done, because we've now got the meta titles and stuff on every pages through Magic Page, I've actually gone through and added Spintax cockroach meta title, Spintax cockroach meta descriptions, and the same on all the other pages. As you can see here, I've got termites, I've got bed bugs, I've got ants, and I've got cockroaches. So I've created all of these. So they're all there, they're all spun. So I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variations, which are obviously can also be varied again because obviously they're all spun. But they've all perfectly optimized for cockroach treatment. So, but they're going to be different every time I build an Evergreen site, or I build a new site from my Evergreen site. I'm going to get a totally different cockroach meta title. And then also, because in the Magic Page settings, I've got that it will actually regenerate all the spun data. These titles are going to change every now and again as well, which is obviously going to give my site, as Google comes around, reads the things, it's like, oh, this has changed. I'll have another look through this, and it's going to keep my site fresh for Google, and therefore more chance of actually staying in. So yes, it's a pain in the backside to do all this, because I mean, I've done them. Like I say, I've got another 6 or 8 for that one. I've got, a few for that one there. And again, I've got like another 6 or 8 for that one. But you only have to do it once. Do it right the first time. You don't need to do it again. Okay. So this is my, like I say, my test domain where I put it on. This is like on standardized testing. So this one is a brand new domain I've just got. As you can see, there's nothing in it. It's called Pest Control High Point, Florida. Because I had a look at my site, the analytics from my site, and I saw that there was lots of like sort of bed bugs and all that sort of thing searches for High Point in Florida. Now the area is actually South High Point in Florida, I think it is. So if I just do maps.google, and if we go to Clearwater, if we have a look down here, we've got like High Point there. And then we got like sort of South High Point. Now it's High Point was getting all the searches. So obviously the people in this area don't call it South High Point. They just call it High Point, which is why I just picked the domain name High Point. And we're going to like sort of build a site around there because I've already got Clearwater. I've already got Largo. I've already got, there's some others I've got, like Seminole is around here, something there, Seminole. I've got Kenneth City. I've got Lealman. So that one will fit in nicely just over this corner here, which is probably about a 15-mile radius. Will probably pop into Clearwater's area, probably pop into Largo's area, and into Pinellas Park area. So the whole of this area eventually is just going to be like all my sites. And that's the whole plan, that this area will be dominated by me. And then once this area is dominated, then I'll just start moving up there. I've already got one in Dunedin. I'll start building up Palm Harbour, Tarpon Springs, Holiday, Beacon Square, things like that, and build my way up till I just basically take over the whole area. So this here is my list of what I do. Okay, and in the manual, this is going to be in the manual because this is how I set up my lead gen websites. This is my list to go to. So what we're going to do on this video, once I crack on with it, is I'm going to like sort of go through and show you how quick it is to actually set up a new site once you have all the stuff. So I've got my phone number. Where's my list gone? Just let's pull this across here. I'll just zoom in a bit. So I've got the address for the site, I've got the phone number for the site, and obviously I've got the URL for the site. So we can go down here. Right, I've got the phone number. Now, obviously, I'm not putting this on Lead Simplify because this one goes to Ring Partner, but I can just say that's done. So get your phone number. Takes a couple of minutes on Twilio. Setting up with Lead Simplify. Yeah, say 5 minutes in. Create your forms in Lead Simplify. Another 5 minutes. Create a main video. I've done a video for it. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's over here. Let's pull that in here. Drop it in. So I've got my video there, which I've created. I set that going while I was doing other stuff. So again, that's probably about a 5 minute job. Setting up the hosting, I've done that. So now we're down to restore from an Evergreen site backup. So if I just click on that, get rid of them, I know they're now done. Okay, so now I've got restore from an Evergreen site backup. Okay, so go into my high point. And yep, that's the high point one. So I use Updraft Plus. So basically I need to upload it, choose a file. Let's be in there's Updraft Plus. Install. Activate. Let's hit start. Now I need to put my Premium extension in, but this hides the key anyway, so I'm not bothered. So just bang that in, and then 2 ticks because I've also got to put my Amazon codes in. So I'll just move this off screen slightly while I put my codes in. I don't want all you guys knowing all my codes. So let's all go here. Oh, shit. There we go. That's me migrate is now activated on my site. I'm just going to put my settings in, which is for me Amazon S3, which basically tells that's where I have everything stored. But as I have to show me secret key, I'm not going to do that. I don't want all you guys storing all your stuff on my secret, on my Amazon stuff. Okay, and last thing I need to put in is the actual folder where I'm restoring it from. And where's that bugger gone? There we go. Save that. Go to there. Right then. Pull this back. Where's it gone? Pull this back across. Now I've got all that in. I'm just updating back Updraft Plus. All right, that's updated. So go to settings, Updraft Plus. Okay. Rescan remote storage. There's one from yesterday, which is when I updated everything. So I'm going to restore that one. Do plugins, themes, uploads, others, databases next. Obviously, everything's running a bit slower because I'm on thingy. I should have set a timer going, shouldn't I? Restore. So if we jump onto here, we can now say we've restored from Evergreen site backups. So I can close that one. Okay. So that's it. It'll log us out. Log back in. In we go. Delete the old directories. That's that done. We're now restored from backup. So the next thing we need to do is go to magic page. Go to magic page. Edit. And what we need to do now is set up the X fields. Okay. Don't need to touch that one. That one's already changed because Updraft Plus changes it. That one's fine. That one's fine. All of them are fine. Okay, so we need to pest control logo white transparent. That's fine. That's the logo. Right, that's Kenneth City. So I've got a proper thing for that. So I need to change that. In fact, yeah, I need to change that actually. So I'm going to do choose file. And I'll just pull this off slightly so you don't see that's what letters. Never mind. I'm trying to think about it. I'll just pause the video a bit while I sort this one out. Okay, so basically I've uploaded a new one, but I haven't saved it yet. So what I'll do is I'll update it now so you guys can see. So there you go, we're now got High Point. So what I now need to do is go to Media Library. And I'll click on that. Yes, Control High Point. Now I always put like sort of the full name in there because obviously I'm going to change. Oh, that shouldn't be a. Shouldn't have a space in. Okay, because obviously this gets changed on every one, so it's a proper picture. So I copy that URL, close that down, go back to here, scroll down. So that was there. So just change that one. Right now I've got me. This one's changing. That's the address. That one's changing. That one's changing. They're the same. All right, the video stuff one's changing. That one's changing. That one's changing. That one's changing. The phone number's the same. Okay, so I've got all these to change. So my address, where was my address? Is there. And again, guys, I'll show you how to get like the address. Basically, I just use LoopNet. I'll just check out. So that goes in there. It's Florida and it's High Point. That's that. Save them. Oops. Right. That wants to be High Point. .com. No, I didn't need to do a .com, but did I? There we go. For that. That's that done. That's saved. Right. Videos. Right. Where's my video gone? So name me video stuff. So it's obviously 43 seconds. That's my title. And it was put up yesterday, I think. So that was my title. Where's my video title? That'll go in there. Save. This is going to be High Point folder. Save that one. That's 43 seconds, which is the same. And it was yesterday, which was the 28th of the 5th, 21. So save that. And then I want the video ID, which is that. So that's that one. That's that one. That's that one. That's that one. Then I want the video description, which is that there. Put that in there. And then I want the keywords, which is just them, which I just drop in there, get rid of that bit, and do a save. All right, so that's all the X fields sorted out. So where's the list one? So I've done the X fields. Now setting up advanced schema was dead easy because it's already done, because I've used the advanced schema, the WP schema. So if I look on me, I'll just update this. Otherwise, I'll just lose all them changes. So in there, as you can see, this is the magic page schema. So it's got all my X fields in, as you got there. But if I now look at this a page, just going to roaches, as I showed before, I've got all my spin tacks in there. Why it's not brought the schema? 2 minutes while I put my schema plugin in. Because it's not registered with this site, so this site's not registered with an API key. I forgot about that. All right, let's have a look. Let's find the plugin. There it is. Okay, so that's sorted. A little bit of a hiccup there, because that was a oops, got the whole bloody lot across instead of the one page. Stick that back in there. So on my pages, if we go into here, hopefully that'll have brought them across still. I would think it will. Open the Schema Builder. And as you can see, I've got all of my stuff in here. So it will bring everything in because it's all X fields. So I don't need to do anything with that apart from putting the API key in. So setup advanced schema is done. Back up the base site folder. So that's what I would do previously because I'd set it all up. I'm not going to do that on this one because I've just done it before. Now I just install the Magic Page databases. So basically go in. I'll just move this off screen a second in case I haven't hidden my API key because I can't remember whether I've hit it or not. Yep, it was hidden. That's fine. Okay, so basically go into Magic Page database. And go into America. Scroll down to Florida. Now I'm going to put filters on. Of 1, 1, 2, 3. And apply. Install the database. This is probably going to be, it's going to take the longest to do. But it doesn't take that long to do. So where are we at? Where's my little list? Now it says add metadata to all pages because that's what I would have had to do before, but that's already done. Add the location schema to all pages. That's already done. So they're already done. Florida is actually installed now, so I can go to here. Okay, I can go to my magic page. I can do edit. I can do HIGHPOINT. South High Point. Oh, it is called South High Point. Ah, bugger. So if I drop that down to say 15, what does that give us? Yeah, that'll do. What does 20 give us? No, I'll stick to 15. I'll go 16. Why not? Yeah, that'll do 150. Right. So do that. Update. Auto install locations. Choose option 1. Come back to here. 1, 2, 3. So that's done. Update. Basically, my site is now live. That's it. Because all I've got to do now is go through. So if I clear them guys out, I can do closed. So obviously I'm not going to show you how to change admin to persona because I'm not going to show you what my persona is. Minified Footprint, I can 301 redirect to my homepage. I can show you that one. Need another plugin admin for you guys. I don't normally like to use that one, but I'll install one. So if you install plugins, add new. Simple 301. Install. Activate. So all you do, I'll go back to my magic page. That's me 14. So I'll need to do SOUTH. High, yeah, UINT, high point. So get the right one and then basically copy that. And go to my settings. I think it's in there. Yep, 301. So basically stick that in there. Take that out. And then just put slash in there. Do that, update. And that is done. So now when I go to here, oh, it's on me bloody thing. Okay. That's gone to there. The magic page must be buggered on that. Let's have a look. I've never noticed that before. I wonder what's happened on that. Oh, look at that. Why is that going? Don't want that. All right. So that's sorted. If we now scroll down, we should have a list. So if I now go to Treasure Island, I didn't know there was a real Treasure Island. And there we've got it. That's better. Right. So there's me site is now up and running, which didn't take that long. So I've done a 301. Minify the Footprint. So basically, it's simple enough. Let's go to here. No, let's go to this one. And let's go to settings. Minify the Footprint. Let's begin. Continue. Change that to be pest. High point. Because it's a folder, remember to put a hyphen in if you're going to do it with separate ones. And then just do pest. High point post. Save and minify the footprint. So we can click that one off. Then all I do is set up weekly backups. Okay, which obviously I'm not going to go through because I'll show you all my stuff. But then all I would do here is like add major cities. So I'll be wanting to make sure that things like Lealman and all them are classed as major cities, so they show up on all of the things. So I'll do that for next week. So I'll give it a time to build up, so it's got some of them in there. So I'll close that. Add location videos. Again, all the videos I've got, I'll be putting them on using location sets. So I'll put that for next week. And add to Google Tag Manager. I don't do that until a month. So that's like 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the 26th. And then add a Facebook pixel code. That's the 26th. Again, I just use Google Tag Manager to do that. Create a data studio report. Whoops. Too far. Where have I gone? 26th. And then check load speed. I'll do that after a month. Or probably the week after. And then that's that. So then basically, closed. Boom. That's my site now up running. Now I ignore it now until the 5th of June when I come back and set my major cities up and maybe put some location videos on if them locations have been built in that time. Like I say, this will be in the manual. The list will be in the manual. And I'm going to go through step by step exactly what I've just done there on how to build your Evergreen website. I just thought I'd do this just to show you how quick it is. It was very quick. You can put a lot of these sites up because obviously you won't be talking about them and you won't be going backwards and forwards, pulling off screen and things like that. So that's how quick it is. Okay, guys. Hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.